What's up friends, Andrew here. Welcome back to the tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create a watch list on your Google Finance. So as you can see here guys, I'm in my browser here. I'm going to quickly go to the Google apps here in the upper right hand side, and let's open up the Finance app here. So it's going to take me over to Google Finance, and as you can see here you have quite a lot. So on the right hand side you have portfolio, and of course if you click these plus signs here right across from each of these, you will see that you can add them to watch list. But in order to create watch list, really guys, what you want to do is just expand the burger menu on the left hand side, and here you'll have watch list. You can click on that and you can give your watch list a name. So I'm going to call these ones, for example, invest, and then I'm going to quickly click and save. So as you can see, I've created this folder here by the name of invest, and if I go back home, if I expand the left hand side, you can see that I have invest. Now when I'm on Google Finance, I can quickly go ahead and find anything that I want to, let's say, invest or add to my investment watch list. So for example, if I want to look at Apple, I can click on that and I can go ahead and add to watch list. Once I click on that, it's going to go ahead and show me the folders that I created, or the watch list folders that I've added. So I'm going to quickly click on this checkbox here to add it in, and you can always go ahead and create new watch list folders from here. So whatever it is, right? So for example, I want to create another one here. I can call this one tech, maybe, as an example. So you can see that you can always go ahead and add to whichever watch list you want. So at any point in time guys, I want to add to those different watch list folders, I can quickly go ahead and I can add them in. So let's say I want to add, for example, this Microsoft here. I can go over it, I can click on the Microsoft, then I can, for example, select the tech folder this time and add, for example, Microsoft in tech, right? And at any point in time you want to view your watch list, open the burger menu on the left hand side, and you have those different watch lists that you can easily go ahead and find what's inside them, right? At any point in time you want to copy something or remove them from your watch list, you can easily go ahead and just remove them, move them, copy them, whatever it is. But that's it guys, that's how to create a watch list on Google Finance.